we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun.
Good morning everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, then welcome, and welcome to a new Vlogtober video. So today we are, as you can see, we're in the car. There's Chris there.
Morning.
We're in the car and we are going to pick up 4 dogs. 4 dogs that come in for their hollybobs. Yeah, we've had them before, so we go back years with the family and with the little dogs. So really excited to go and get them. We've told R2 that their friends are coming on holiday. So yeah, we're just going over to pick them up now. So a bit later on, I'll introduce you to them. The weather's bizarre, isn't it? I mean, we're having to swerve like almost like a lake in the road, and yeah, the sky is blue. It's bizarre. Anyway, I'll chat to you a bit later. Bye for now. We're home now. I'm going to show you the dogs. There's Lukey in the background.
Come on, Elsa. Hi guys.
I'm going to do my lipstick of the day before I forget. Again, it's another one of these matte lip glosses from that name that I find it hard. Handy-Yan or something, I don't know, in the shade 04, but it doesn't give an actual colour. But let me just open it. So that's the colour, and then so that is it on the lips. It is matte, and I generally don't really sort of like a matte lipstick. However, this one is really nice. It's not drying at all. Anyway, I said I was going to show you the dogs, so let me show you the dogs.
Come on, this way. Elsie. Round. Come on. Go. Go. Come on. This way, Elsie. Elsie. Front table. Come on. What's this? Come on. Come on. Round. Go on.
Where'd you go? So there's our Elsie Bousey. Elsie Bousey, yay. Hello. So this is Dolly, everybody. Dolly, come on. Hello. So this is little Dolly. These are your buffles. And this little titch is Crystal. Hello, Crystal. Elsie, let them say hello. Yay. Hello, Papa. You should look how tiny she is. So she's a miniature imperial Shih Tzu. Yes. Dolly over there, who's loving Luke right now at the moment, over there, she's Shih Tzu, but she's got a bit of pug in her somewhere, haven't you? Yeah, because you're buffles. And then in here, as you can see, is Chris and Barney and Wilbur. So this is Barney. Easy, Barney. He's your good boy, yay. And there's Wilbur. Ted. I think so. Are you hiding? Teddy's under the table. And I don't even know why he's hiding under there, because the very first time ever, he has tried to, like, you know, a little bit of rumpy pumpy numpies with these two. Yay! And Elsie's being a mother hen or a mother dog to you, isn't she? Yeah, I know, it's your little snout. Because she's actually in season, aren't you, baby? And so Elsie's trying to clean her up all the time. Teddy's kind of getting a bit horny around her. Obviously, nothing can happen, so Teddy has been done. Crystal, hello, Baba. Hello, my little ones. They are so cute. Dolly. And so my house is already a mess, where they've all been running around, and it will be like this for a week. So during the next coming week, you're going to see a lot of footage. Are we going to see a lot of footage of you, Crystal, and the two boys, and Elsie, and Teddy Bear? Yeah. Do you want cuddles? Come on in. Let's go and have cuddles. Come on.